Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to refund YouTube Premium subscription. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you want to refund your YouTube Premium subscription here and you're wondering how to exactly do that, well, this one is quite simple. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and just make sure that you're logged into the correct YouTube account. So in this case, whoever actually is currently subscribed to a YouTube plan here. So if you're using like YouTube Premium Family, you need to make sure that the one that is currently subscribed is the one who's going to make the refund. But in this case, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and just go to youtube.com / and it's going to be refund / premium. Now make sure that you name this accordingly. So it's all small letters, refund / premium. Once you've done that, go ahead and just press enter. It's going to redirect you to refund or request a refund section. Now, in order for you to basically be refunded here, you just need to click on continue here and just follow the on-screen steps. Now, obviously, it will ask you a bunch of details about yourself, request a refund. Now, in this case, you can go and choose, I purchased this by accident, I no longer want this membership. Now, if you experience like any technical glitches or features not working properly, well, in this case, you may want to go ahead and choose this purchase doesn't work as expected. Click on continue, and again, just follow the on-screen steps. Now, there are some eligibility before you could actually get a refund here. Just keep in mind, not everyone can actually get the refund option on YouTube here. So typically, if features not working, usually that's when you can actually get refunds. But yeah, go ahead and click on continue and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.